Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, in this video I want to give you a chart review on Ballard Power Systems. The ticker is BLDP. We had here a short squeeze of in total more than 7,100%, and you can see that we're now trading here back in some very spicy price ranges, and that's why I give you here my full chart analysis. And yeah, why we still have here a chance to see a massive short squeeze for BLDP. If you're new to this channel, welcome. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why I show you here several chart techniques. But of course, everything what I say here is not financial advice. And I have a mission, guys. I try to predict short squeezes here in the market. I did that here a couple of times in February. We had here also some nice short squeezes. Market is now very red. But what I do on Patreon here is to post some swing trade alerts and short squeeze stocks, my so-called hot stocks. And as I said, try to predict short squeezes. Here is a quick summary of the stocks which squeezed between 150 and 800% after my prediction, guys. If you want to see also these short squeeze stocks before we dive in here into Ballard Power, you can of course check out here my Patreon, guys. The full package membership is the way to go. This is where everyday new members joining in, you not only get here the hot stocks and the trading alerts, I also have here my member FAQ section and of course trading tutorials and stuff like that. Everybody is welcome, guys. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. If you want to join in, the link is here in the video description. Yeah guys, Ballard Power has a very interesting setup right now. I also have here videos available on fuel cell and plug power, and all three stocks show more or less a very similar trading setup. So we could see here some massive squeezes incoming now. March, guys, is a very bearish month. This is normal in trading most of the time. No matter which year you check, March is usually a very bearish month. But after this bearish market phase, the market makers accumulate their positions, cover some positions, and then we will see the next squeeze rally based on the information which we have right now. I expect here a squeeze rally to happen in May this year. For Ballard Power, guys, I show you now the price levels here. So that means here in the time between, let's say, 2013 and 2022, we had here a 70x move. 7,000% is absolute crazy. So let's check now here what is possible based on the actual chart situation. So we start here with the weekly chart, and I show you first here some indicators. So why Ballard Power has to come down like that, guys? Why could we not stay here in the $10 range and just continue to squeeze? You can call it pump and dump, but we have here a lot of technical issues which we have to fulfill in order that the algos start to cover some positions. And what I can show you, guys, that Ballard Power has some technical reasons why the price is now back at $1.27. Also, there is a reason why we have here a small technical reaction of 13%. Even the overall market is quite red, but I think we have to come down a little bit more before we see here a potential short squeeze to happen. As I said, not financial advice, but the chart is giving us here some hints. So let's now switch here back to the chart and let's check what happened here in the past. So we can see we have here some, I would call it squeeze trigger price levels here. You can see we had one squeeze attempt immediately after Ballard Power traded here on the Nasdaq. Then the next squeeze was here, and you can see as soon as we break here some certain price levels, the next squeeze attempts are about to happen. And this is what we can see here in the chart. No matter if we talk here about 1995 or price actions or price level which are 20 years old or older, it doesn't matter, guys. The algo are still triggering here the same things. That's why I show you now here the drawings, that you understand what I'm talking about. So sorry for my voice, guys. So we have here a very simple chart setup in my opinion, and we switch off for a second here the indicators that you can just focus on the drawings. The actual algo demand zone, guys, this is, as I said, how I see the chart, what I expect here, and my personal strategy. So I expect here the price to come down in the $1.07 range or even 73 cents. I said that we have here just one open business in the chart in the beginning of the video, guys, and that is one open gap waiting here at 84 cents, guys. Here is only one open gap in the chart. When we switch here to the daily chart, you can see that 85 cents, guys, is the final open gap. We also had one very important open gap here back from 2016. And you can see here 8 years later, here in November 2024, this orange field here, guys, this gap has been filled, and the result was that we had here a small technical reaction in total. Ballard Power, after we closed here with this candle, we closed the gap, found the bottom here at $1.23 and squeezed almost 70%, which is good, but of course not a big short squeeze reaction. Also, we see here in the profile volume that the overall volume is increasing here, but in my opinion, Ballard Power is not diluting the stock. We have here a float about 250 million shares. It's not too big, not too low. And based on that, we also have here a short squeeze situation. So we can see every time when we come here in this bullish liquidity zone here between $1.07 and 73 cents, we have here some support or even a squeeze potential here. But as I said, based on the algos, I personally want to see the price come here to 85 cents or even a little bit lower. That would be perfect here in order to close the final open down gap, guys. And then you can also see we have a lot of gaps to the upside as well. So technically, Ballard Power can of course squeeze and close all the open gaps. So what needs to happen here to see these squeezes, to see here a short squeeze or that we come back here to $2 or much higher? Yeah, guys, this is very simple here because we have here an overall uptrend channel pattern for Ballard Power. Of course, we can go below that trend channel pattern here, but as I said, we have here some algo demand zones or supply zones where the algo is buying and selling. And the main squeeze trigger price level, which I see here, is $3.70, guys. As every time when Ballard Power went over $3.70, let's switch back here one more time to the weekly chart that you can see that. So disable the indicators, guys. This is a very strong support or resistance. When the price is trading below that, it can act like a resistance, but when the price comes over $3.70 with volume, we usually see here a short squeeze reaction here for Ballard Power, guys. And the biggest short squeeze was here 2019, as you know. 2020, 2021, we had a super bullish market. Then November 2021, the bear market got initiated. We are still in a bullish market, guys, and that's one of the reasons why I think stocks like Ballard Power or even Plug Power, they have a lot of potential to squeeze if they can find here some technical support and some volume, guys, because they are just heating down, and now we have to fulfill here what the algos want to see. And that's why I say it's very comparable. Fuel Cell, Plug Power, Ballard Power are technically here in the same position. So in the macro trend, we have an uptrend channel here because, as I said, the all-time low was here 56 cents. So based on that, we're still trading here more than 100% over the all-time lows, which means this stock is still in an uptrend. But of course, when we focus here on the sell-off reaction here, the all-time high, we are here in a downtrend correcting here. So in this macro pattern, we also have a micro pattern. So I zoom in now here to show you what is the game plan here for the next days and weeks. So, and there you can see that we have this trend channel pattern, which is usually like a support and rejection system here, which means the bottom line here of this trend line supports the price. The bottom is the sell-off zone. So everybody who want to do here some swing trades, we have here a range of about 50% in which Ballard Power is moving. And as you can see, if we follow this pattern here, we will come down very soon here in this trading range and close finally the open gap. As I said, I expect that we see some short squeezes here in the market latest in May 2025. When we follow up this pattern here, guys, when we close the gap, we can of course just gap down here and close this gap as well. But if we would follow here the trend channel, maybe see one more spike and come down, you can see here somewhere in April, May, the bottom might be in before we could see here a short squeeze for Ballard Power, guys. As I said, the price goals here, very simple. We have a lot of open gaps to the upside, so $2.12. Everything here in the $2 range, guys, is not a short squeeze. This is just a simple algo squeeze to close the gaps. Based on the today's closing price, $1.27, we have here a squeeze potential of 67%. As I said, this is just Mickey Mouse and good for swing traders. But if we can squeeze over $3.70, guys, with volume, we need here a lot of volume to break the bearish algos here. Then we have a very big short squeeze potential here for Ballard Power. I think everything here in the $7 here, $5 to $7 price range is possible. And just for fun, guys, I can show you here one of the upper squeeze trigger price levels. $14.20 is the price level where we could see here a massive squeeze. Of course, I don't expect that we just squeeze here from, let's say, 70 cents to $14. That will not happen, but we could see something similar like this, that we slowly going up, find support, and then As soon as the support at $3.70 is confirmed, we have the chance to see here a massive short squeeze for Ballard Power. There is never a guarantee, guys. Be careful, yeah. As I said, this is now a very strong bear, not a bear market, but a bearish market phase here in March. And of course, guys, if you want to copy here my price levels, I zoom out for you again, that you can see that. So every price which you see here is based on TradingView. The most significant price which you need to know, in my opinion, is 85 cents, because here is the lowest open gap which we have, but the algo demand zone where I'm waiting here to get the price in is between $1.73, and as I said, $3.70 acts like a squeeze trigger here for Ballard Power when we have enough volume, guys. So if you want to copy these price levels here, then you need a good chart program, guys, also to spot the algos. And what you see here is called TradingView. I use that program for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to get that program for yourself today, you can use my $15 discount link on the premium tier. Also, when you check here the video description, guys, you can find the special TradingView discount link. So my friends, that was the first video here on Ballard Power. I hope that was helpful. Sorry for my weak voice. And yeah, I wish you a great day. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And if you want, see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.